Hey everyone, how you doing? There's been a lot of heart energy the last few days, so I thought I'd do a quick little balance around protecting your heart, looking after that self-worth, self-esteem, self-belief, because we've only got one of them. So one of my little cousins was in hospital over the weekend having had his first heart attack. So it's just made me, and I've had several clients today where we've been chatting about the heart. And once again, there's so much sadness on the planet at the moment. There's so much misdirection and challenges with keeping in contact and loving care and communication between humans that our hearts are really feeling it. So I sort of thought I'd use the heart tuning forks to sort of make sure we shimmy any energy we need to shimmy. And because we were chatting last week about the enlarged hearts that are going on the planet, and how that is such a challenge, a lot of chest pain, a lot of enlarged hearts, and a lot of we know that things are going on along those lines. So let's get into it. Okay, so give yourself a bit of a roll those shoulders, just get nice and relaxed. Okay, so good old central meridian. I'll just do it nice and lightly for those of you who don't like the tuning fork. So just run that central meridian. So the heart energy is about self-worth, self-esteem. It's about being loved, it's about being loving, it's about being lovable. So when we are feeling sad in our hearts, we can't love ourselves or anyone else. And how do we attract love when we don't love ourselves? Nice big deep breath. So the little combo that happens with the heart, so it's the heart chakra, the thymus gland, and the little bone up in here. They're the three. So is it first, second, third stage stress? So there's some exhaustion of that energy. So what do we need? Okay, so I need the tuning forks over the heart, over the, no, it's actually over the third eye. So it's going to be more about serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin. Oxytocin is it's that beautiful caring hormone that we release when we hug. It's that hormone that we release when we are complimented and we believe it, when we're having a feel-good day and someone says, oh, gee, you look spectacular today. And you go, oh, thank you so much. I feel really good. That's oxytocin release when we go, oh, you look amazing today. And you go, oh, this whole thing, yeah. No oxytocin. So we need the tuning forks over the third eye. So I just want you to imagine light and love going into that third eye area. In there is your pineal, your hypothalamus, your pituitary, all those little glands in there that work together to keep us healthy, well, and happy. So we need to shimmy the negative energy away from there that's stopping the oxytocin. Move that energy with light and love. Move that energy. Okay, so we'll stack in the heart again. Thymus gland. Okay, so now there's an old pain and punishment circuit. Once again, I know everyone's been affected with love and connection in the last 18 months. Like, it's just not easy to hop on a plane and go somewhere. It's not easy to, it only occurred to me this morning that here we have down in Melbourne, even people who are fully jabbed, they still can't go out. They still have to wear masks. They are still in lockdown. So It's very, very interesting times going on at the moment. We've got 20 hospitalisations in the whole of Australia. Okay, beautiful. Okay, now what next? Where do we need to go? So once again, heart, sternum. Nope, not amygdala. Okay, so the next one linking in is the hippocampus. So that's a memory center, and this one's to do with lack of motivation due to internal negativity. So I know for me, one of the things that I haven't been, since it's gotten cold, it was here in Australia. I know our cold isn't the same as everyone else, but we got down to 8 degrees this morning. So the idea of getting up and going for a walk in that I find very, very challenging. And so, of course, I sit in my, I've got an infrared sauna, so I sit in my sauna instead for an hour, which is quite delightful. But it means that I'm not getting out walking, I'm not getting that sunshine. I did go sit in the park with a cuppa at lunchtime with a friend. There's escape submission free, so the brain wants to run away rather than feeling motivated. It doesn't want to be motivated. It's like, nah, that can wait. So just shimmy, shimmy that energy, get those feel-good hormones going. You know, dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin. Those wakey, wakey little hormones. Do your magic. Okay, there's a little reticular activating system circuit. This is the one, so the RAS controls what hormones you release when you're under stress. Okay, so this one is low serotonin, which means that the nervous system isn't feeling safe and secure, so we release serotonin when we feel safe and secure. Okay, and there's vigilance. So, and I know I've mentioned before, but we thought we were going to lose my cousin on the weekend, and that would have been like the 10th family member. Once again, I've got a fairly big family, but nonetheless, it's just been a year. So, and that would have been my first cousin to die of a non-accident, I suppose, of an actual health problem. I mean, I've had a few, accidents and things like that, but okay, so increasing serotonin, relaxing vigilance. Once again, pain and punishment. And it was making me think of my dad. He died 1 week off his 45th birthday. So I think when we see people who are close to death, and there's so many challenges on the planet at the moment. Okay, beautiful. Now, where do we need to go next? Tuning forks again. Okay, which way? Coming in, going out, rolling. Okay, so we need to roll the energy out from the heart chakra. So when we're feeling attacked or stressed or uncomfortable or afraid, our heart chakra can shrink. Now it's supposed to be, there's sort of like a movement of the chakras all the time, but I need to shimmy it around, wake it up so that it resets more correctly. I am loved, I am lovable. I am loved, I am lovable. I am loved, I am lovable. Wakey, wakey. No, that's okay. Now where to next? Beautiful. Okay. Okay. So, I hope that picks up your energy beautifully today. Hope wherever you are, things aren't too crazy. Hope you're finding your peace in this place on the planet at the moment. Okay. Okay. Well, you have a spectacular day. Love you. Take care. Bye.